Welcome back to another episode of Similand. It's Dustin again. We're going to be playing again. We're going to keep trying to get more cards. I didn't buy anything off cam, so I brought you back and I still have all my stars. I'm probably going to get a Quake, because then I think that's how you get Volcano, maybe? So we'll get... Where's the Quake? More critters, too. No. We'll get more samples. And... Meteor. That kind of scares me. Quake. Thunder, sun, wind, rain. Probably want more, not suns. There's only 5 quakes. Meteors, no. Critters, no. I don't know what else to get. Kill, plague, remove. Let's do. Actually, kill could be good because what if I kill an animal for meat, and then they start to learn how to kill things with knives? That could work. Probably another plant. Mineral. Okay, I'm gonna have a ton of cards now, like a crap ton. Okay, let's go. Love this music. Celebrating music. Ooh, this is a big one. Ice block. Plant. Okay, plant is much more reasonable. Thank you. I don't know why they already want an ice block. I can't even get an ice block yet. I can get tons of plants and everything else that I need. Okay, we'll research and... no. We will get... mineral. Sample the mineral. Get the... knife. But what else do they wish for? Rain. Rain. I can do rain. No, I cannot do rain. Okay. We'll get axe, so they can start getting food as soon as possible. I cannot get them rain, so I just need to keep like bowing down and praying to me. I like to have the discoveries right here. Knife, axe. Okay, that's just in the way. We'll move that up there. Yeah, I think get rid of it. So the next time when it comes back, it won't be there. I don't know how to get a bear, because last episode, the guy wanted a bear. I don't know how to do that. I haven't played enough to figure that out yet. We'll do... desert. Here. What do they want? They want rain, sheep. If you guys pray some more, I can get you a sheep. I just need 30. Come on, keep praying. Don't do minuses, pray. Please, I don't have a quake. You guys wish for the dumbest things, seriously. Okay, so I do have a critter now. Okay, there we go, there. Now we're building up. Do they have any axes yet? But yeah, I think he's chopping one down, right? Oh, we killed it. I don't have an inspect. Yes, I do. No, we killed. Oh. Wait, they killed the sheep. I should have inspected something. Does anyone want thunder? Quake, discovery, thunder, yes. So if we do, I think if we do sun, and then do we do a quake in the desert, mountains, yes. I wanted mountains, and we have oil, I think. So I think if we do this, we get ore deposit. Okay. Now we're doing it. Now we got this. And if we do, we need more trees, definitely. Let's get to the plant. So if we get another ore deposit or 2, wait, what's it here? What can I do here? Nothing. Can I inspect this? Oh shoot, was that a poop? You guys better not poop and take it away, because I need it. Sandstone, tree, and now I don't have a tree, of course. Sandstone, okay, I got some sandstone. Someone wanted that, that's all I know. Wind, let's get you some wind. Or not. What? I don't want... Thunder, okay. Tree. gotta get poop. Like, actually. Okay, hammer, and then I gotta find a poop. I need a poop, like, badly. Someone poop. Oh, you just ate something. Are you gonna poop? No, you're not. Oh, where'd you? I already have 7 people, gosh. How are they surviving? There's, like, no food. I probably should not wait here for that. What if I do a thunder here? Nothing. A plant for sticks, I know that, or twigs, I mean. I know that's how you get twigs. And then, okay, we finally have a rain. We'll build the swamp over here. Oh, everyone wanted a rain, I guess. Okay, so we have trees now. Oh wait, shoot, I need to inspect that for... Okay, we're good. Got that. Under. Oh, it's so loud. Should probably turn that down. I'm not going to right now. So we got plants. We'll put a plant here. And we'll do have another plant yet. So that gets medication. Toxic berry. So now they know how to do that. I'll blow that towards them. I did nothing. Okay, so we got more of them. I just need them to keep cutting that down. We'll get... What happened to all the critters? I had a ton last time. Like a crap ton. That's another good bush. Do some of this over here. Is that getting rid of mountainous? No, it's not. Okay, we're good. Make it sandstone. That gets... Oh, wait, I can inspect that. No, I can't, because I don't have an inspect. What do you know? We'll get more apples. Some more apples. Some more apples. We'll expand. Look that way. Wait, oh shoot. No. I need to inspect. Do I have farm yet? No, I don't, but there's a poop right there. No, don't take that, please. Shit. Okay, we got early farms, early-ish farms. I've actually been through quite a bit of cars already. Okay, yeah, there's a lot of things over there. I need to inspect a rock to get pickaxe. Pronto. Inspect a rock for a pickaxe. Can they make a pickaxe? No, they need a rock, so I need to sample a rock, which I used all my samples. I'm not gonna put that down yet. Get some more wheat. Okay, so they have farms galore. That's good. Okay. Sample a rock. Good. Now can we inspect anything? Knife. I need a knife. No. Give me the knife. Okay, I ran out of food. How do you... How? It's like everything. It's not even an over-exaggeration either. I do not have a discovery for you. That just got rid of it. Oh my gosh. Does that give a polar bear? What does this give? Sheep? What? How? I need to inspect them for investigation. There we go. So I can kill it. Ooh, I don't know if I want that yet. I need more trees. Definitely. Okay. Rain. 3. Wait, can you... How do you get jungle? I don't understand that. Do they have pickaxes yet? I don't think so. We'll get... Why is this here? Go away. Oh yeah, I just pressed it. So if we do... Okay, I have an inspect, so we're good. Or... Nope, or not. Get it, or not. Wait, so I need a mineral in here. And then I need to inspect for oven. Why are people dying? That's not what I clicked. Okay. Great. So I need another mineral. And a sample. And sample. Inspect. Why are you... How? How do you run out of food? I don't even understand. Wait, this is gonna get more mountains. The volcano? Oh. So what if I... Can I inspect the volcano? No. Can I sample the volcano? And then if I inspect that... No, we're not advanced enough yet. What even is this? Sulfur. Used for explosives. Bear? How do I get you a bear? I think it just gives me a sheep. Chicken. We'll get another human. Get more trees. That's how they need them so much. Another ore. Another ore. Get ice. What happens if we put this here? Ice. Pine tree. Okay, we'll get worse done over there. We'll get yet another tree. And then another tree. How are you running out of food? I don't even understand. I don't know. I have infinite amount of stuff. What? Why would that be so? Bramble, clay, can be baked. 2 bricks, but I don't even have an oven unlocked. So I need to inspect that, right? Bricks, clay can be baked. What? How did I do it last time? I don't even remember. This doesn't make sense. We have boats. We have crop flour. We need to make this, guys. Rock and log. You guys have all that. Can I control them? Actually, I just realized if I didn't exit out of that. Can I have, like, you? Ran out of food. What do you know? Again. Get out of there. I don't mind enough. They have a knife already. Or oh, not even yet. Meteor. What is this gonna do? I'm gonna do it. What did that do? Oh shit. That's good. Gold ore. That was good. I like that. Communities value each other through imaginary value gold. Okay. Plant, no. Sun here. Okay, I need to try to get more stuff over here. So, I cannot inspect this. I need to get a cooking pot. Make that someone, please. Wait, no, I already have one. Okay. Does that mean I can inspect this now? No, it does not. And why? Oh, I need coal. So I need to get a tree and kill it. Okay. That makes more sense now. So we need to do another rain down here. Okay, tree. We shall kill this tree. I killed someone, oops. Wait, Robin wishes for school of fish. Oh, duh. That's just a critter in the water. I should do that. That's good. Wait, no, inspect that now. Oven. Okay, that was oven. About baking things. Okay, I don't know why I just stuttered that bad. That was pretty sad. So can I? No, okay. Good. Schoolfish can be fished with a fishing rod. So can I inspect that? Question mark. Fishing rod. Okay. We're going somewhere. Let's get another tree. Let's get wind. Charcoal. Okay. Does it not mean I still have a ton of cards? What's this? Market. Wishes for a cactus. Okay. If you want a cactus, that's okay. Mineral. Plant. Is there any other kinds of plants I haven't gotten yet? I don't think so. We'll just make a little area over here then. And some of the plants. There we go. Mineral. More fish. I do not want a polar bear yet. Nothing there. What about? No, nothing. What if we do a rain on here? Get out of there, buddy. Get out of there, buddy. You're gonna freeze. That dummy. He did. Oven. Okay, oven. That's baking. So now could I get metal stuff? Question mark? I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to play. That was a weird fart noise. I just don't know. Kill the cactus. Cactus evil. Inspect. Nope, nothing with the cactus. Inspect. I'm gonna make fishing rod. One twig. Okay, that's pretty simple. We'll do a bear. Sure. No, we'll kill the bear, then inspect it. Yes. There you go. Dead polar bear can be dissected with a knife. Okay. What if I sample it? And I inspect the meat or the fur? Oh, that can be used for clothes. There we go. That's what I needed. So I should probably sample that again. So I can't inspect meat, just cook. You know, I'm gonna sample it one more time, just because it's good. Okay, found it. I don't need that yet. Mineral. Or critter. Let's get chickens, because they're good. What are some other discoveries we can do? Or not discovery, human info. What's this? Okay, base info. Juice, there's a lot of stuff. Bushes. Ice block, chicken, wind, thunder, quake, willow tree, sandstone. I don't know what to do with ice yet. Sample, that didn't do anything last time. Steak. Can I inspect this for anything? No, can I sample this for anything? Jeez, they're just spitting out meat like crazy. What is that supposed to do? Okay, what if we inspect, nothing. We'll do a sun here. Because it'll be desert people. Sulfur, or sandstone, okay. What is sandstone even supposed to do? Nothing. I don't understand sometimes. Oh, there's still that polar bear. They're still gathering meat. That's great. We should be full with food now. Options. No, I don't want to see that. Sun. I'll do another sun here. What is this? Wool. We spun into cloth. Okay, but how do we spin it? Spinning wheel. Oh my gosh. One log. Okay. We got this. We're doing good. This is going good. Okay, we got another volcano part. Bigger volcano too. Okay, that's what I thought. Please don't turn into tundra. Okay, we're good. There's for ice block. Willow tree. Rubbish with an X. Okay. What if we... I don't want to write on lava because I don't want to ruin it. So we got another tree. What if we... What is that? This whole... Unfertilized. Sheep. Cooked fish. Oh, okay. Okay. Wait, oh, he is close, so he's fine in there. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so if they, oh, that's sweet. They have like a little blue t-shirt. That's kind of funny. If we put a mineral on lava, ice age. Oh. Rain. Quake. I want to know how to get oven. We need to get a forge. And forge would be, you think would be with stone, right? Or wood, or charcoal, which we have. We have charcoal. Now we just got, maybe we gotta find some charcoal. What if we, oh, that reminds us. More volcano, okay. Now I have some volcano. Okay, we get another iron. Or we'll get, I don't want a polar bear. How do you get a bear? Sheep. Inspect. Can you inspect the sheep? Wait, what's this? Windmill. Oh. Okay. We're getting something. We're doing it. Rain. I don't want to risk that. What can we inspect that? I don't have an inspector. Did I like cool it down or something? Okay, so they know that is desert, that's good. Let's see, yeah, let's just try right here. It goes back to desert. Oh, it gets rid of lava. Okay. That cancels it out. Let's get a polar bear. They're cool. Let's get a thunder. Wait, what could thunder do? I don't know. I'll do another quake. Oil and lava. So yeah, I don't know. Okay, so that's probably gonna be it for this episode. Maybe I'll play a little bit longer, see what happens. Yeah, I'll stay here. What's this? Okay. Oh, the wind blows that. How does this work then? So I think the wind blows that and it does something of some sort or something, I don't know. But if we kill this... I don't want to kill the bear, I like the bear. Okay, I killed the bear. And then I want to kill a person. Ah! Wait, he got away. Okay, I killed the person. Oh. Cloth. Coconut. Ooh. Okay, I think that's probably it for this video. Thanks for watching. Next time we'll continue even with some more. And hopefully it'll be just as good, you know? Okay. That's the end. Wait, actually, let's see what we got real fast. And I'll go to the shop and then I will get off. Okay. Oh, that's a lot. Probably just buy the whole shop now. I'm just gonna try to buy the whole shop. Ooh, are we gonna do it? Actually, I'm gonna split up right here. Okay, we almost did. We almost have the whole shop. Whew, that's gonna be a lot of cards. How do we unlock this? Open all cards types. Okay. Okay. See you till next video. That's it for Similand. For now. Bye.